Hello, geography class. Happy Tuesday. I hope you are all having a wonderful day so far, and I am excited to see you all tomorrow. But just know that today in California, I'm thinking of you, and I had a lot of fun putting together your walk up song playlists for our class. So, one other quick announcement. I know that tomorrow might be a little bit of a stressful day with your uh, new style of Zoom learning, right? You all will be joining classes instead of the teacher coming to you to join your class. Okay? That might be a little stressful. So, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask Teacher Maypo. Do not hesitate to reach out to me. Send me an Edmodo message. Okay? We are here to help. We want this process to go as easily as possible for you. Sound good? Cool. Let's dive into what we are doing today, shall we? So yesterday, we looked at object movement, okay? We found some objects around our house, figured out where they came from, right? And so, moving forward, or today, we're going to talk about human movement. Where do humans move? How do humans move, right? So, our daily objective is I can describe current migration patterns across the world by analyzing a map and a data chart. So today, we're going to do some professional geography things, okay? Which I am super excited for all of you to do because I know you're going to do great and you're going to have a ton of fun with it. And I'm super excited for that to happen. First up, though, we've got a vocabulary video to watch. So let's check it out, shall we? It's going to load nice and slowly because of internet.
Migration is the movement of people. It happens today, and it's been happening for hundreds of thousands of years. In fact, no matter where you live, your ancestors took a journey to get you where you are right now. Vocabulary. Let's go. Yo, migration is the movement of people from one place to another. Many come to America. Look at Marie. Her parents came when she was just 3. They were pulled by money and opportunity, pushed by a lack of jobs that led to poverty. When people migrate, it can be permanently or temporarily. Push factors or forces that drive people away. I don't mean like Porsches, war, famine, bad economy, natural disasters and poverty. Pull factors, do it backwards. They make a new place more attractive. Jobs, freedom of religion or politics, or maybe you're sick of the metropolis. Immigration is when you move into. Emigration is when you exit. So you might be an immigrant from one place, but you were an emigrant when you left.
Left home for a new place. I plan to be here for a long time. Call it migration. Some people are forced. I chose with my own mind. Push factors, push people away from the place where they stay. Pull factors, pull people into a new place. We hope for a new day.
Voluntary migration means he or she chose, and nobody forces where he or she goes. Like in California, when they hit gold, some people move to the West Coast. William left his Irish community for the U.S. and more opportunities. Even if it's voluntary, it can be that a place's push factors make you want to leave. Like when Ireland was really low on food, the famine forced William to move, but some are made to move. Forced migration, like Africans made to be slaves in our nation, or Native Americans who didn't plan to move till settlers took their land. Imagine if your family was forced to go along the trail of tears, far from home.
Left home for a new place. I plan to be here for a long time. Call it migration. Some people are forced. I chose with my own mind. Push factors, push people away from the place where they stay. Pull factors, pull people into a new place. We hope for a new day.
Migration can be seasonal, moving each year when there's a reason to. For work, but due to climate conditions, Matt's family follows crop harvest. Listen, sometimes immigrants can be refugees who fear persecution that I hope you never see. They live outside their country of origin due to their race, politics, or religion. Shira left Russia, said I have to do this because she was persecuted for being Jewish. Her family made a difficult trek through Europe and then further west to a land with freedom of religion. She could feel a whole new life beginning on Ellis Island. Yeah, that's why she saw the Statue of Liberty. She had tears in her eyes.
Left home for a new place. I plan to be here for a long time. Call it migration. Some people are false. I chose with my own mind. Push factors, push people away from the place where they stay. Pull factors, pull people into a new place. We hope for a new day.
Cool. So that was our vocabulary video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to talk very quickly about the difference between emigrant and immigrant. There are two words that sound pretty much exactly the same, but mean super different things. Okay? An emigrant is someone who is leaving a place. So if you are like me and you are leaving the United States, then I would be an emigrant. I would be someone who's leaving the United States. And an immigrant is someone who is coming to a place, right? So when I move to Myanmar, I will be a United States immigrant moving to Myanmar, right? So I am a United States immigrant who is leaving, but I'm a Myanmar immigrant, someone moving into Myanmar, okay? So you're an immigrant when you leave a place and an immigrant when you arrive, right? So let's do a vocabulary quizzes. In just a second, Teacher Maypo will lead you through a vocab quizzes, the vocabulary game that we are growing to know and love, right? After the vocab quizzes, there's an activity on Edmodo. You will be placed in groups to complete the activity, right? And this is the activity. So there are two parts. Their instructions are on here. The first part is you are going to be looking at this map. The arrows on this map detail immigration happening around the world, okay? Immigration and emigration, right? So there are arrows here. So if an arrow starts in one place and goes to another place, and that is where people are leaving and then going to, okay? So your job is going to be to look at where these people are leaving and where these people are coming to. If it's a bigger arrow, it means more people are moving that direction. If it's a smaller arrow, that means less people are moving that direction, okay? Then you will answer these questions here, alrighty? Lastly, this is a big, scary chart, right? Wrong. This is a chart with some immigration data analysis, okay? So right here on the left, we have all these countries, right, that have people leaving their country. They are immigrants. And then we have these four countries up here. Whoopsie. We have these four countries up here. And these are countries that people are moving to, okay? So for example, in Japan, 6,000 people left Japan in 2010, and those 6,000 people went to the Netherlands. But there was also 25,000 people who left Japan who ended up in Canada, right? There's also 340,000 people who left Japan, who ended up in the United States. Get it? So you will then move on and fill out the rest of this chart right here and answer the reflection questions. Okay? So we add vocabulary. We're about to do quizzes, and then you will have a group activity. So I would like to say, everyone, thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for doing your best with our human movement activities. And I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.